Neck bend.
Very nice, straight forward. Stop looking around.
Neck bend. Step up.
I'm ready to get around you, okay?
Second row slide to your right. Third row fill it in on the end down here. Make sure that card's put away back where you got it from.
No, it's bad. Yeah, I mean, it's right, get wrinkle free. Make sure your hospital corners are 45-degree angle. Hey. Yes, sir.
You're tucking in now. Hold it.
They're not tight, need wrinkle free. Good timeline, giving you an additional 5. Make these beds stay near perfect. Make it have to go. Yes, sir. We are still having issues with 45-degree angle. Make sure that the foot and the head. 5, 4, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6. Hey, where's Conley at?
And no kidding, like, make sure there, it needs to fall all the way down to it.
All edges are even and flush. ABU trousers. On your ABU trousers, you should be able to see there are no random dust bunnies or anything like that inside your clothing drawer. To the left. Folded in even t-shirts, they should be at the 6 o'clock position, open in, facing all in the wall.